Ayan guys, I'm here at Midtown Light. So ayan, ito yung kanilang shop. Tapos ito yung kanilang mga menu. You guys, roasted. All are roasted and sandwiches and burger. And pizza also. Tapos meron din sila dito. Ayan. Mga fries. Corn dog, spring rolls, onion rolls lang pala. Ayan, so Midtown. Ayan guys, Midtown Pizza and Roasted, Midtown Lights, Pizza and Roasted. This is the shop.